Here's a pair of Bose 700 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to a TCL smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing we got to do is go to the Bluetooth settings on your TV. You can go ahead and click on if your remote's like this, you can click on the home button and then just look for settings. My settings on the top right hand side, that gear icon. So I'm going to go up, 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 and then go right, 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 go all the way down to the gear icon right there, settings. Click on OK. From here, we're going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says remotes and accessories. Click on OK. And now we want to go to add accessory, okay? And as soon as you click on add accessory, before pairing device, please make sure the device is turned on discoverable. Okay, so click on OK. And now it's searching right now. Let's go ahead and grab the headphones here. And they're currently off. I know that because there's no solid white light here. Here's the power button, not this one. Power button is here. Let me just tap that once. And now I can see, now hopefully yours is blinking blue, so it's in pairing mode. Okay, I know it's on because there's solid light here, but I got that blue blinking light. And you can see on my TV, it already found it. Bose 700 headphones. So let me go down. Let me click on OK right there. It says pairing. We're still blinking blue. It'll be a solid blue once it's connected. Oh, it says couldn't pair. Let me click on it again. Okay, it says pairing now. Bluetooth pairing request. I'm going to click on pair. It's already highlighted there. It said connected on here, and you can see we got a solid blue light right there as well. And you can see where it says the Bose 700. You can see it right underneath it. It says connected. Okay, now the thing is, if you guys weren't able to get a blue blinking light on here, maybe it was a solid blue light, you couldn't get it in the pairing mode, that's probably because it's connected to a different device. Or what you can do is just go ahead and reset these, and that'll clear your Bluetooth list. Okay, how to reset these? Look in the link below. It's pretty simple, okay? Any other questions? Comment below. Good luck, guys.